Todd here with Crystal Clean 123 and Sunset Spas. I want to talk for a minute about why Crystal Clean. Why do you want to get your products from Crystal Clean and from Sunset Spas? Well, first of all, we've sourced the best possible products in the industry, and we've brought them together under one umbrella called Crystal Clean 123. We have the At Ease Frog system, which is an outstanding system, and then we have all of our Crystal Clean products, the clarifier, the calcium scale and stain inhibitors, enzymes, cleaners, filter cleaners, your pH chemicals, everything at extremely competitive prices. We've scoured the internet to make sure that our prices are very competitive, if not less expensive than anything you'll find. Plus, when you place a $100 order, you get free shipping. The most important thing is when you're purchasing your products from either a Sunset Spa store, one of the service or delivery guys, or from the website crystalclean123.com, you want to register to get your lifetime jet warranty. So at crystalclean123.com, first thing you do is register. And then as long as you're buying your products through the website, through the store, or through any other means like a delivery guy or a service tech, you're going to get a lifetime warranty on your jets. And that's a big deal because most warranties, most manufacturers' warranties give you somewhere around a year on your jets. So no matter what kind of spa you purchase from Sunset Spas, as long as you're using our products, you're going to get a lifetime warranty on your jets. It's a pretty good deal. So next video, I'm going to be talking about weekly maintenance on the Frog At Ease system and weekly maintenance on the Crystal Clean system. Thanks.